Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We are going to read a story called LMNO Peas. It's going to help us review our alphabet. We are peas, alphabet peas. We work and play in the ABCs. We're acrobats, artists, and astronauts in space. We're builders, bathers, and bikers. We're climbers, campers, and he's a circus clown. We're dancers, can you dig it? And drivers round town. We're eaters, electricians, and explorers searching land. We're farmers, flaggers, and best friends in a band. We're gardeners, gigglers, givers, and takers. We're hikers, inventors, and investigators. We're judges and jugglers. We're kickers, kayakers, and some of us are kings. We're listeners, miners, and neighbors right next door. We're nurses, officers, and outlaws taking more. We're painters, poets, and plumbers fixing leaks. We're pilots, parachutists. We're peas, and we're unique. We're quilters, quarterbacks, and readers. Next page, please. We're scientists and swimmers and sailors on the sea. We're truckers, teachers. We're underwater divers. Voters, vets, and volunteers. We're weavers, wishers, and x-ray doctors too. We're yogas in a pose and zoologists. That's who. We are peas from A to Z. Now tell us, please, who are you? Isn't that cute? Bye, guys.